Just a little higher.
Emily! Are you okay?
Ethan, something is wrong. My ankle, I can't move it.
Emily is in pain.
Can you walk?
No, it hurts too much.
Ethan thinks fast. He makes a decision.
Don't move. I'm calling for help. Hello? I need help. My wife fell. She cannot walk. Our address is 24 Oak Street.
Please stay calm, sir. An ambulance is on the way.
Okay, but hurry! She's not moving!
Help is on the way. Just breathe.
Stay calm. Help is coming.
Are you sure?
I promise. Everything will be all right.
Thank you. Ethan, I'm scared.
I know, but I am here. You are not alone.
Thank you.
You are not alone. The ambulance arrives. The paramedics move fast.
Grab the gear. Let's go.
Where is the patient?
Inside! Please hurry!
Hi, I'm Sam. Don't worry. We are here to help you.
Thank you. My ankle really hurts.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
About a 7, I think.
Okay, a 7. Thank you. I'm going to help with that. 10 means very strong pain.
Maybe 7.
We need to take her to the hospital. Possible ankle fracture. Fracture. A fracture means a broken bone.
I am coming with her.
Let's go. The emergency room. Doctors and nurses are ready. Stay calm. We're monitoring everything.
It hurts so much.
I know. We're giving you something for the pain.
What happened?
Female patient. She fell from a chair. Possible ankle fracture. Pain level 7.
Okay, room 3. Dr. Miller will see you now.
Ethan, what if it is broken?
Then the doctor will fix it, step by step. Okay?
Breathe. One step at a time. Hello, Emily. I'm Dr. Miller. I'm going to take care of you today.
Hello, doctor. Thank you.
I think we need an X-ray. X-ray? A picture of your bones. It does not hurt.
How long will it take?
It's a straightforward procedure. It should take about 30 to 45 minutes.
And she'll be okay?
Yes, she'll recover quickly. I will be right here. Don't worry.
I know. Thank you, Ethan.
Ethan waits. Waiting is hard. Every minute feels long.
Mr. Ethan, Emily is back. The doctor is ready to speak with you.
Thank you so much.
I have good news for you both. Emily's ankle is not broken.
Oh, thank goodness.
That's great news, Doc. She'll be fine with some rest.
I was so worried.
Me too!
Good news!
Is it really true?
Yes, it is. Everything is going to be all right. But it is badly sprained.
Sprained. The muscles are stretched.
First, rest for 2 weeks. Second, keep your foot elevated. Third, medicine and support bandage.
When can I go home?
Today. Time to go home.
Thank you, Ethan.
I will always be there for you. Ask for help. You are not alone.